Every great project starts with a vision. Let's look at the concept, the design process, and the canvas we'll be working with. Imagine this, a dark room and then the ocean lights up. This is the stunning bioluminescent effect we are aiming for with this wall art. I used AI image generation tools to quickly visualize the layout and color palette. This digital to physical workflow saves so much time in planning the final aesthetic. Our coastline is a highly textured piece of live edge burl wood. The rougher the edge, the more realistic the shoreline texture will look. A quick debarking and cleaning process makes it ready for the mold. Time to lay down the foundation for our ocean, the deep water base pour. This is where we get the vibrant blue depth. First, we create a shallow mold around the wooden piece, effectively building a dam to contain our resin. We want a nice, clean edge for the deep water drop-off. We mix up two main colors, a deep, translucent ocean blue for the distant water, and a slightly lighter teal to represent the shallower area closer to the coast. Now for the pour. Pour the deep blue first, then the teal, blending them seamlessly near the coastline using a stick or gloved hand. This creates a satisfying, low-stress ASMR blending effect that establishes the ocean's depth. This is the most critical phase, where we add the secret ingredient to create our signature bioluminescent waves and seafoam. Our secret is pure white pigment, mixed with a heavy dose of glow-in-the-dark powder. This small batch of resin will become the bright lacing seafoam when the lights go out. Carefully draw thin lines of the glow-infused white resin along the shoreline and slightly over the blue base layer. These lines are the starting points for our crashing waves. Using a heat gun, we gently blow the white resin over the blue. The heat thins the resin and pushes it, creating the beautiful, delicate lacing and cellular effect that perfectly mimics seafoam. Once the art is poured, it's all about the cleanup and finishing work to make the water look truly pristine and perpetually wet. Now we wait. Here's a quick montage showing the resin curing and solidifying to a rock-hard finish. The best part, demolding. Removing the tape and mold is incredibly satisfying, revealing the clean, sharp edges of our coastal art piece. Since this is wall art, we skip the heavy planing and move straight to sanding and applying a final, high-gloss top coat. This finish makes the resin water look perpetually shiny and wet. To ensure this large piece hangs safely, we install heavy-duty French cleats on the back. This provides a secure and hidden mounting system. The moment you've been waiting for. Let's see how this piece looks in the light, and then in the dark. In the daytime, the art showcases deep blues, the natural texture of the wood, and the glossy, detailed seafoam. But when the lights turn off, the glow pigment takes over. That seafoam lacing you created now looks like crashing, mesmerizing, bioluminescent algae. Would you hang this bioluminescent ocean piece in your living room, or is the glow too bright for you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more custom DIY projects.